100-gallon slide in. We have this in an RTV. You will need to select your vehicle of choice. Once you put it in your vehicle of choice, make sure it's secure to where it will not fall out of your vehicle. This unit's 12 volts, so it needs a 12-volt power supply. For this application, it's just a 2-wire system that is running down to the RTV's battery, negative wire, positive wire with the fuse goes to the positive side of the battery. Fairly simple to hook up. Once you hook that up, you're going to want to turn it to auto, which means it will be operational from the remote, which is on and off. It also has an on position to where if you were to lose the remote or if the battery went dead, you would still be able to run it without the remote. So for this operation, we're going to stick it in auto. We're going to make sure that the valve to start is closed because we want to set a static pressure of 60 psi here. So we're going to go ahead and turn the unit on. And as you can see, I've already set it to 60, but to adjust it, it's this adjustment knob here. One way is decrease, the other way is increase. So you want to set this at 60 psi. Once it's set, use the locking ring and lock it in place. Turn the unit off. Open the ball valve, which is in line now with the hose, to go out to the boom. And also make sure that the ball valve that isolates the tank to the motor is set in line. Now we want to turn it on. All we're going to do is use the on. And there's your fan nozzles. If you need to do a wider sidewalk, turn on your boom buster. Once you're done with that, you stop, turn it off. Close your boom buster manually. And then you can continue to spray your 4-foot sidewalk. If you're spraying with just the center, 1, 2, 3, 4 fan nozzles, you can go somewhere between 8 and 10 miles an hour. Once you open the boom busters, you're now increasing the flow that's coming out of the pump. But you're doing a wider area, so you need to slow down to about 5 miles an hour to continue to receive that 1 gallon per 1,000 square feet. One other thing to note in regards to this unit is it does have a filter. It can become clogged at times, so you want to take it off. You want to dump it out. And you also want to make sure that when you dump it out, you don't lose this gasket, because this is one of the most lost pieces. Is your operator will take it out, they'll go to tap it out, the gasket will fall out, they'll put it back together. It's not going to leak water or brine, but it will suck air. So you got to make sure that the gasket stays in place. Once it's back in, reinstall your filter, screw it back in place. Open your ball valve. Now we want to spray some sidewalks. We're going to close the boom valve. So now it's in line or across the valve, so which means it's off. That position is on, that is off when it's across the valve. So we're now going to open the ball valve to the hose that's on the cradle. In line with the hoses means it's on. So we'll take our hose off. Come in close. This is your adjustment. Fan, full stream. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So that's your stream for doing stairs. For spraying your sidewalks. Fairly simple. Once you're done that, and you want to go back to spraying your sidewalks, close the ball valve to the hose reel, open the ball valve to the tote. Pretty simple. So if you have any questions regarding this unit, call us at 954-781-9200.